Hi, this is Brian with WTI. Have you ever been in a situation where you didn't know what to do, but all of a sudden you got a great revelation and you just have a great idea? Let me tell you my story. Okay, so my heart was pounding when I was running late for a crucial meeting, a virtual meeting, and my green screen, which usually saved me from an uninspiring background, was in another room hanging with tape. And the panic started to cloud my mind because I didn't have anywhere to hang it up. But then I remembered the recent purchase. I remembered I received the EMART background stand the day before, and it wouldn't be a permanent solution, but it was certainly better than presenting with a cluttered background. And thankfully, setting up the stand was easy as breathing. The instructions weren't even necessary, 100%, and the clamps firmly held the green screen. However, I didn't use the sandbags that time, but I used it on another occasion, and it was great. With a quick addition of my ring light, I had a mini studio ready in minutes. And comes with its own carrying bag. Now, I can simply throw the stand on my backpack and transform any location into a professional looking workspace. So for all the freelancers, remote workers, or anyone needing a quick and convenient solution for a professional backdrop, the EMART backdrop stand is a game changer. So that was my story, and that's my point of view.